So hello everyone, on this video I'm going to show you how to make your own egg incubator like this tree here. You can find eggs around the world and you put on your egg incubation and a new baby pal will born. Okay, how to make this? You have to reach your technology level 7. When you reach level 7 you will have your ancient technology here in the purple section. Incubator, egg incubator. To make this egg incubator you need 10 Paldean fragment, you need 5 cloth, you need 30 stones and 2 ancient civilization parts, okay, to build your own egg incubator. Okay, I think the most tricky one is the last one, the ancient civilization fragment. You can find it beating some balls around the map. Okay, for Paldean fragment you just need to find this beautiful blue shining stones. You just go and craft it a little bit like this and you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for cloth you just go to your crafting table and you choose cloth and you produce 5 of these beautiful white pieces. Okay, you produce it, then you put it in inventory, go back and see what you got. So once you have reached level 7 you have to unlock this beautiful thing here, then you hold B and go to PAL this session here. You have unlocked your egg incubator. You choose your egg incubator, you place whatever you want. I'm just going to place I think here is beautiful. Done. Press S and you just hold F to start to build. It's gonna take 22 seconds. Okay, once it's ready, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. You have your egg incubator. You press F again, then you can move an egg like this one. You can find this egg around the world. It's everywhere, many colors, many sizes. So I'm going to press right click and it's already incubation. It's going to take 1 hour. it's a very huge egg, this one, so it depends of the egg you collect. You have a small egg, you have medium eggs, you have some big eggs. This one is a big egg, so it's gonna take 1 hour. Of course you have resources to make it faster. You don't have to wait 1 hour. You just have to put some fire around here to make it go in faster. So you just hold B again, you go to food and you choose your fire pit and you place it right on beside of your egg like this. You press ask and then you hold F to build it. Just 5 seconds, easy and peasy. So it's done, ready. So now with the fire beside your egg incubation you have 38 minutes long and not 1 hour anymore. So it's so much better if you put your fire pit beside your egg incubator. This is the video for today. I hope you enjoyed. Leave your thumbs up, leave your comment, and we see each other on the next video. Thank you.